What's up, guys? Aaron and Kyra here from AK Adventure.
What's up?
From Rich
and Jazzy Live.
What's up, everybody? It's Addie and Terry.
Last year, the Trifecta hosted our first Melanin at Sea group cruise, and it was history in the making.
The Trifecta, which in case you don't know, includes us.
Rich
and Jazzy Live.
AK Adventures.
And we have exciting news to share with you today. Stay tuned because it's even more than you are expecting.
We have made a decision on the group cruise number 2 for 2023.
Our original cruise on the Carnival Jubilee was canceled due to the ship being delayed.
We've chosen a ship that's going to be sailing at the same time frame, which is Thanksgiving of this year.
Get ready for nonstop fun, themed activities,
entertainment,
gifts,
excursions,
and more, all planned exclusively for the Melanin at Sea group.
These activities are going to be family friendly and all ages, of course, are welcome.
Melanin at Sea is not just for people of color. It's for everyone who appreciates us and appreciate what we're doing.
The Melanin at Sea group cruise number 2 will be setting sail November 18th from Miami.
And stops in the ports of
Jamaica,
Mexico,
and the Bahamas.
We will be sailing aboard the newest ship from MSC,
the MSC Seascape. We know a lot of you have been wanting to try MSC Cruise Line.
And we think this ship and itinerary, along with being with the Melanin at Sea family,
will make for the trip of a lifetime.
Now we know some of you have future cruise credits still with Carnival from the canceled Carnival Jubilee group sailing.
And we know some people just can't make it for Thanksgiving break.
which is why we are excited to announce another group cruise.
Yes!
We added the shorter sailing in July to give everyone a chance this year to join us on a Melanin at Sea group cruise.
So come and join us July 13th, 2023 for 4 nights of fun sailing from New York
To the beautiful island of Bermuda.
Aboard Carnival's newly added Carnival Venezia.
And we hope you can make it to both of them. So, how do you book?
First things first.
If you don't book with Addie and Terry,
a Rich and Jazzy Life, or
AK Adventures,
then you will not be part of the Melanin at Sea group activities and perks.
You can choose to email the host of your choice.
So email the host of your choice and we will get back to you as soon as possible.
so please be patient with us, as we will get everybody booked as soon as we can.
We're going to be using your best offer codes, your best rates, so don't worry, we're not using any specific group codes. Whatever your best deal is, that's what we're using.
When you email us, please include names, date of birth, what kind of cabin you're looking for, and your loyalty numbers if you have them, to make the process faster for us.
We will be booking until this ship is sold out, so don't miss your chance to be a part of this event.
We hope to see you there.
and whether you can join us for one or both of our group cruises this year, we hope to see you there. Bye.